Everybody. So the other night we had a lot of heavy rain and winds, and I happened to notice my lights blinked while I was in here working in the computer room. But I noticed they blinked in a specific pattern. And the pattern was essentially a recloser on an adjacent circuit on the power lines operating on a permanent fault to lockout. And I figured it'd be pretty cool to share this footage. I happen to have my weather case cameras for cubecompmtdx out filming. Well, actually, I had one of them out filming, and I had a different camera filming on my parents' back patio. And the one I was filming outside happened to capture the street lights dimming and, of course, being affected by the sags and power as the recloser on the adjacent circuit kept closing in on a faulted line. So, in case you're not familiar with reclosers, reclosers are they're like a circuit breaker device that are used on power lines, on high voltage distribution power lines. And what they do is they help assure reliable service, because power lines are very notorious for transient faults, particularly overhead lines. Things like squirrels. Well, I got a good one on cubecompmtdx of a squirrel nearly getting zapped. But yeah, squirrels, tree limbs blowing through lines, things like that, or in very rare cases, power lines actually smacking each other, phase to phase or phase to ground. You'll have transient faults, and if you have just a fuse link on that line, that fuse would blow and you lose power. So the oil circuit recloser was invented many years ago, and of course nowadays they have more modern electronically designed or operated reclosers. But a recloser, what it does is, again, like a circuit breaker, it senses for that fault and it opens quickly and then waits a few seconds depending on the timing of the unit, closes in. If the fault's still there, opens again, closes in. If it's still there, opens again and closes in one more time. If it's still there, it locks out. So the way it works is it will try, if it trips, it will try up to 3 times to restore service. And if the line is permanently faulted, it will lock out. If the fault is cleared, the line will stay closed in, and the customers on that line will not have lost power. They'll just see a blink. So if you're wondering why your lights blink and come back on, simple. It's a recloser operating. Or if you're wondering why your lights flicker or sag for a very brief moment, most likely it is a faulted line on an adjacent circuit, and it's the recloser that's operating on that. So anyways, here's the footage, and I'll go ahead and also put text in the clip to show you each trip and reclose. And I figure it'd be pretty cool. This is a very common thing you'll find out on overhead power lines. Matter of fact, our neighborhood right here has one. Yeah, so I knew for sure it was a permanent fault because there was 4 blinks, the original trip, and then 3 reclose attempts before the recloser locked out. So anyways, here you go. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Cubecompmtdx channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Cubecompmtdx Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, cubecompmtdx. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.